Hey guys, welcome back to our blog. I'm Luke Ediger, Sales Manager here at Charleston Homes. Today I want to talk to you about a couple new floor plans we've just recently introduced. One, two-story, mid-2300s above grade. It's called the Richmond. Currently have a couple spec homes out there. A lot of great features on this home. The upstairs is awesome. And then also we have a new villa plan out called the Wingate. We're building a couple of these right now. Both of these we don't have models yet, but should be having models sometime in the next year or so. But definitely if you go to our website, you can check out floor plans, drawings, things like that. So definitely come on out to either of our model locations in Pebblebrooke here in Gretna or Arborview up in Elkhorn. Take a look around and get some information. As always, you can find us on our website at charlestonhomesomaha.com.